Hi everyone, we are back with a new fun coding video. So let's say you would like to make a comparison between two different responses. It can be that you have tested something on the lab. You would like to know how much both of them compare in different times or different seasons. You can use a group bar chart to demonstrate this easily. In this code, I'm just going to show how you can use this to demonstrate this comparison between the two different set of items. You will need, there's a model called pyplot, so you will need that. You will also need what we call the numpy. The next thing to do will be to just create the month that you would like to compare the different responses. So in this case, I'm using from January to April. You can create, in this case, I'm using the product sales, but maybe you would like to compare how different or the weight of different fishes at different months. It could be so. The next thing to do is, because we are going to create a group bar chart, you need to create a numeric position for each of these products so that they don't overlap. For the weight of the bars, we are going to keep it at 0.45. So as you saw here, if you are making a publication and you like to present this, then definitely how it is numbered, the labels for the x-axis is not really intuitive. What we can do here is to just include a variable. So here we can just say